I'm Prachi Gupta. Welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. A major disruption in the healthcare supply chain has been seen in the country owing to the pandemic. In order to stem the slide, CSIR has now launched a national healthcare supply chain portal named Arogya Path. This portal will provide real-time availability of critical healthcare supplies and will act as a common platform between manufacturers, suppliers and customers. The platform will help customers reach out to suppliers with their requirements and also allow manufacturers and suppliers to connect with hospitals, medical centers, etc. in a quicker manner. Over time, analytics from this platform will generate signals to manufacturers on shortage or overproduction of a particular medical need. This would help cut down on the wastage of resources due to excess manufacturing of a particular healthcare item. CSIR expects Arogya Path to become the national healthcare information platform of choice in the years to come. It aims to fill a critical gap in the last mile delivery of patient care within India through improved availability and affordability of healthcare supplies. The portal was developed under the leadership of Dr. Anjan Ray, who is the director at CSIR, Indian Institute of Petroleum. Also, Sarvodaya Infotech partnered to develop this portal. Let's hear more about this portal from Dr. Shekhar C. Mande, Director General, CSIR.
So Arogya Path essentially is a supply chain module. It connects buyers with suppliers, and anything that is related to COVID-19, for example, hydroxychloroquine or the PPEs or ventilator, if buyers actually place a demand on the portal, they will be able to see who are the closest supplier to them in a geographic region. So geographically closer to them, who are the suppliers with whom they can actually get this. It has an advantage, therefore, that will get rid of the middlemen, and also it will get rid of all the hoardings and things like that. This is built on a platform that we are already successful platform that we have built up called Kisan Sabha, that connects farmers with transport owners. And it's a very successful platform. Is already that app is being downloaded by tens of thousands of people, and they've been finding it very useful. Farmers on one side and transporters on the other.
In our daily routine, we touch various surfaces such as lifts, handles of vehicles, doorknobs, etc. Presence of viruses on such surfaces can lead to the spread of COVID-19 infection. To resolve this issue, a new antimicrobial coating has been developed by a startup named 3R Management. Named as CoviCoat, the coating is sprayed on surfaces and is left for 2 minutes. Thereafter, the surface is cleaned with a cloth which leaves a layer of coating on the surface. By applying a layer of this coating on any surface, that surface remains virus-free for 90 days. Made using antivirus nanotechnology, the CoviCoat has also been used at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. COVID-19 has changed the way we work. This new world now requires new systems and products to enable the business, industry and individuals to work virtually yet efficiently. In this regard, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, or MeitY, had announced first ICT Grand Challenge. The challenge aimed to generate innovative technological solutions in the form of software products using emerging technology. It can help in working from home. The challenge was executed in connection with the implementation agency. The implementation agency prepared the detailed plan as per the challenge for selecting the right startups or MSMEs that have the potential to build suitable work from home products and solutions. The purpose of this whole exercise was to have products which should enable employees to work and execute tasks remotely for seamless operations or business continuity of organizations in a fully secure and reliable environment. That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.